What's the meaning of agrochemical? Agrochemical. 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 Agrochemical refers to chemicals, including fertilizers and pesticides, used in agriculture to promote plant growth, protect crops from pests and diseases, and improve crop yields. Agrochemicals can be synthetic or naturally occurring, and are widely used in modern farming practices. While they have provided many benefits in terms of increased crop production and food security, they can also have negative impacts on human health, the environment, and non-target organisms. Proper use and management of agrochemicals is essential to ensure their benefits while minimizing their potential harms.